Number one, the formatting option. If you have a table and you have formatted as per your requirement, and if you have other tables as well, and you don't need to do all these things what you've done for previous table. You just need to select the table and go to the home tab and click on format painter, and the brush will come up instead of a cursor, and then just click on the other table with this brush. It will copy all the formatting options what you've done in the previous table to this new table. This same like what you have done in Excel and Word. Not only for the table, as well as you can do this for slicer as well. I have this slicer here. I'm just go to home tab and click on format painter. With the brush, I'm just clicking on another slicer. It just copies all the formatting options for me. The beauty is not only it just copies the font size and the background color, it also copies the selection pane. Say for example, I'm just going it back to normal. This is my previous slicer, right? So here I have the selection as only one selection at a time, whereas in this slicer I have multiple selection options. If I copy this painter, format painter, and I paste it on this new visual, this object, it not only just copies the format like font and background, it also copies the selection pane as well.